1, 2, and a raw kick out. How is Val doing this? Oh, and a knock on the head. Both were shot out by Mankind. Oh, Mankind just got hit in the head with that book. What's Val doing? He chucked that board at Mankind's head. And the second. My God, Val Venus busted up in two. What more's going to happen? Look at that board. Oh my God. Val hitting Mankind with a baking tray. Val placing Mankind. Oh, leg drop from 1, 2.